Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang 2020 na 20 peso coins of the Philippines. I-share ko sa inyo ang napakagandang mga informasyon nito guys at ang kanyang auction record. Tapusin lang natin guys ang video para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Pilipinas. The 2020 20 peso coin from the Philippines is a relatively new addition to the country's currency. It was introduced to replace the 20 peso banknote, aiming to improve durability and cost efficiency. Here's a breakdown of its history, design, and value. 20 peso coin was officially released by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP on December 17, 2019 as part of the New Generation Currency or NGC coin series. It was intended to replace the 20 peso banknote, which had shorter lifespan due to a frequent use. The coin is made of the bimetallic composition, making it the first Philippine coin to feature such design. It entered circulation in 2020 and remained legal tender. Over's design features a portrait of former President Manuel L. Quezon, the second President of the Philippines. Below his name is his signature. The BSP logo is on the right side. The words Republika ng Pilipinas and the year 2020 are inscribed. Reverse design showcases the Malacanang Palace, the official residence of the Philippine President. The coin also highlights the Nilad plant, a flowering shrub after which Manila was named. The coin's denomination 20 peso is displayed prominently. Value of the 2020 20 peso coin face value 20 pesos. Collector's value. Since it is still in circulation, its numismatic value is not significantly high yet. However, some uncirculated or special version or proof sets may fetch a premium. Future value. If the BSP discontinues the coin or limits production, it may increase in value for collectors. Composition and specification. Material: bimetallic, nickel-plated steel, and aluminum bronze. Weight: 11.50 grams. Diameter: 30.0 mm. Shape: round with the distinctive bimetallic appearance. Auction record results of 2020 20 peso coins. The 2020 20 peso coin from the Philippines is relatively recent release and its presence in major auction records appear limited. However, available data and market distribution provide some insight. Numista listings as of now, there are no specific auction records for the 2020 20 peso coin on Numista reputable numismatic resource. Furonome catalog. This platform lists the 2020 20 peso coin with a estimated value ranging between 1.04 euros up to 2.48 euros depending on its condition. While these figures offer a general valuation, they don't reference specific auction sales. Market observation, online sales. Some online platforms have featured the 2020 20 peso coin for sale. However, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP has issued warnings about unauthorized sales of supposed brilliant uncirculated 20 peso coin online, advising the public to exercise caution. Collectors' interest given the coin's recent issuance, it's commonly found in general circulation. Coins in uncirculated or mint condition might attract modest premium among collectors, but significant auction activity has yet to materialize. Recommendation: stay informed, regularly monitor reputable auction site and numismatic forums for emerging sales or discussions about the 2020 20 peso coin. Variety, authenticity. Be cautious of listings, especially online, that claims to offer rare or special version of the coin. Always ensure authenticity before considering a purchase. Consult local collectors. Engaging with local numismatic clubs or societies can provide insight into the coins, the current market value, and collectors' interest. In summary, while the 2020 20 peso coin is a notable addition to the Philippine currency system, its recent release means the substantial auction records are currently scarce. Collectors are advised to stay updated and approach purchase discerningly. God bless everyone, and thank you for watching.